Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today I'm here with another earring tutorial, and today we are going to learn this cute crochet earring that is very easy and simple to make, and beginners can make it very quickly and very easily. Okay, so let's get started. For this you will be needing a ring. These are the plastic rings available in different sizes, and this is the size I'm using in this. You will also need a thread, that is over here I'm using anchor cotton thread, and I will be using double strand of it because it's very thin. We will also be needing these earring hooks and a bead to be attached. You can also use any different bead if you like. We will also need this needle to attach the bead, and obviously we will need a hook, that is I'm over here using 2mm hook and a pair of scissors. So quickly let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and also click on the bell icon so that you can be notified. And if you really like my videos, please give thumbs up, and also share my videos. And if you have some suggestions, you can also give me the suggestions or any other things. So let's start. So this is the way I am going to keep my ring, and this is my hook. So underneath the ring I am going to yarn over, pull the yarn and make a single crochet. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that this tail I am going to use it as I am working so that it gets hidden like this. Pull the yarn and pull through both of the loops. So this is the single crochet we are going to do all around the ring. So we are going to do 28 single crochets. Till now we have done 2. Now this is our third single crochet, the fourth, I hope the video is clear, not blur. Like this. Keep the tension tight so that it doesn't loose, and keep on working with this tail so that it hides. And it is not necessary to use the whole ring, a whole tail around it. Once you think that it's properly hidden, you can cut it like this. Okay, so join me back when you have done 28 single crochets. So as you can see, I have completed 28 single crochets, and it's time to join our round. So into the first single crochet I am going to make a slip stitch like this. Once you have made the slip stitch, we are now going to continue making 2 single crochets into the one stitch and 1 single crochet into the next, 2 single crochets into the next, 1 single crochet into the next, 2 single crochets and 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet. So I have completed my second round, that is 2 single crochets and 1 single crochet, and now we are going to slip stitch into the first single crochet like this, and leave a long tail to attach our bead with the earring hook. So this is how it looks like. Now we are going to take the needle like this. Now we are going to attach the bead into it. Like this. Now we are going to attach this hoop, and we are now going to insert our needle again into this bead. Now insert the thread over here, do the setting. Yeah, now weave this and cut the yarn. So our earring is ready, and it looks something like this. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.